What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today it's the day of the picking the winner for the drone drop for December. I have it right here. So I got it right here. It is the drone drop from December. You're pretty much going to win the entire box, and by the way, it is actually the last drone drop ever, since I did release a video actually last week saying that drone drop is actually stopping. I think FPV Crate purchased drone drop, so that's why they're giving the subscribers of drone drop a really good rebate for switching over to FPV Crate. But anyway, this is the drone drop you guys are going to be winning, and we're going to be picking the winner right now. So before I start off, pretty much what you'll be winning is the Source 1 frame, some stickers, 3 sets of props, and the tweezers. And if you want the full description and looking at them and all that stuff, I have that on my channel here. I'll try to leave a link down that in the video description. But let's go ahead and pick a winner for the December 2019 drone drop. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and copy this link right here to the YouTube channel, or to the video. And we had 150 comments, so let's go ahead and go to our random comment picker and go ahead and find out who won. We're going to load the comments up. Like we have 150 comments. Looks like there was probably a reply. That's why it's one extra one here. But we're going to go ahead and just pick it. So drum roll, please. Adam Pinkerton. Those boxes are getting stingy. Not good advertisement for someone looking to buy one. Looks like you are the winner of the December drone drop. So go ahead and email me at viperfpvbusiness@gmail.com. We'll go ahead and make arrangements to get this shipped out to you. So to everybody else, unfortunately you guys didn't win, but stay tuned to the channel because this channel is hitting 3,000 subscribers real soon. So I'll probably be doing a very special giveaway for that. Stay tuned also. I do have a review coming out on the Newbie Drone B-Brain brushless quadcopter that just came out not even that long ago. I also am working on the Emax Hawk Pro. I have that and I've had it for a couple months now, and I'm just trying to fly it enough to where I can do a proper review of it. So you should see that on the channel as well. But to everybody else, I'll see you guys in a future video. This is Viper FPV, and I'm out.